Good day and great light, illuminators and way showers. Thank you for being with me in this moment of gratitude once again, as I share with you the changing of the seasons from my front porch. Little by little, every day, it changes. I am so grateful every day for this magnificent view before me. The gorgeous hues of the colors as they change, as the leaves leave us. Their last grand gestures. There are millions and millions of these Asian beetles. It's that time of year. They want the warmth, and this is just a small part of. They're everywhere, actually. They're hard to see, but they're flying everywhere. And by this afternoon, there's like thousands of them, and it's that way in a lot of places, a lot of parts of the country. And a lot of the cosmos are still blooming. Some of them broke. They were so heavy in their own weight. A few little morning glories here and there, still hanging on. A couple more want to bloom. But most of them have faded for the year, and that's okay. They'll be back. And my beautiful Rose of Sharon. It's been blooming now. It always blooms this, like, right in November. And the bees absolutely love them, and all these little butterflies and moths, and usually it's a buzz in the sunshine with all the bees. And it's a great blessing. Oh, look at them all in there. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen so many bees in one little flower. The pollinators, the honey they create. And it's a blessing to have a Rose of Sharon right at your door. Malo Kuamaro Pespatiana Kili Ishara Antoralo Viamayo Kaimali Taya. It's like looking into another world, the world of nature, and imagine those from other places and spaces, star systems, coming here to visit. And of course, it's an entirely new world for them. Every time we're in nature and reminded that we are nature, and being here along with the elements and elementals, we're reminded of how amazing our world is, how captivating it is to others across the cosmos. How captivating it is to us. Looking close in nature is seeing more and more of all that we are. Mirrors of us in so many ways. Oh, look what we got here. Hello. Nasoko shomeleva shamakiava maropa. Atukokoya ashanako awakwa. Oh, these Asian beetles, boy, they bite. Tioso. Nature. I always wonder why. But again, it's our own nature reflecting back at us. We still bite. Our human collective consciousness, we still bite each other. And as always, there's going to be a reflection in nature, of our nature. Yala konyava sposha kiama ete. The answer will always be unconditional acceptance and love. Ow, even to the beetles biting me. Alajinokotebe imorova eshena kitila vespata. Yaro komishavis maitiana. And again, you're reminded of your perfect cycles and circles as we come to you on this full moon, November 5th. And this plant always blooms at this time of year on what the Native Americans call the beaver full moon, for when the beavers were most active and setting traps. And I'm fascinated right now. I've never seen this before, where so many bees gather in each bloom all over the tree. I don't think I've ever seen quite such teamwork, you know. What a beautiful example of connectedness. And I've got my bare feet on the ground, and anytime I'm feeling upset, worried, angry, sad, when I come outside and I take these explorations into the other world of nature, of my nature, I feel complete. I feel like the full moon. What have I bravely completed in this past 30-day cycle? Where have I expressed togetherness and teamwork, and yet also autonomously working for your own soul growth? Aliyama Oropa Eneshe Ijaka Kialeva Sun Luzvake Oropa Thavakia Anoma Kiava. Wow. I've never seen anything like it. In all the years well, not all the years, this is our 4th anniversary being in this house. And these trees were here when we moved in. And I've just marveled at them every year, because I've never seen so many bees around them. But this year, wow, I've just never seen so many congregating in each and every petal. Wow. Reminding us of the layers and layers of family, how intertwined we are with the bees and their function, how dependent we are for the production of our food. What a beautiful co-creation they have with us. And the wax, and the hives, and the honey. Oh, there's bees everywhere. All kinds of different creatures getting ready for winter. It's also known as the freeze moon, the frost moon, for the up and coming cold weather. Depending where you are, of course, in the world, but here in the northern hemisphere, in the central United States and Alabama, we get mild winters, but we do definitely get the change of seasons and the leaves falling and the beautiful colors of the of the bushes and the trees changing. I'm reminded why I love where I am in this now moment. I love capturing these colors. How vibrant. And the shapes. It all sings to me in a language of light. For each and every one of us is its own universe. We are creating our own universe. That's what makes us gods. We are creating everything we see. Everything we see is a reflection of our minds, our hearts, our beliefs. Everything. I feel these are symbols of being nurtured and nourished and loved and fulfilled and being a part of something greater. Being part of Source itself. We are the reflections and dreams of God. We are all created from one source, one tree. All branches and leaves of the same. Naliyama Kuropalavis Matia Shako Kuroko. Everything we do affects everything we do. Naruaviki Miyasata. Be in the now moment. For everything is now. Naru unte vishmiya lavakiana. Asata tia gunama. Ow! That one bit me. I go so. Sima shuakana. Shuaka. Yeah, they're out. Tia koshata. Nature for sure. Kalomes batayana. Ashatuku. Maroka. Tashinuku Valiana. Even a few impatiens left. Vismasavashan moro kamiamalava kani. Atunto koramalivispato koshana. Anna ite. Asano shaveki malaru. Oh, I think we're down to one bloom. Nyalo korna savatokova. Tishana kolivama ata. Sono payo uno shokotivaliana. Shatikiato. Oh, there's another one coming. Dave spotted that one.